My daughter is suffering from kidney failure, as a result of sickle cell anemia and hypertension. So this uncle of mine in Georgia now approached you, and she got us the first consignment of the drugs, of the supplements. Then we were in Nigeria, but now we are in New York. We took it in Nigeria far back as last year.
Yeah, let me stop you there because I need to ask you some questions. Okay. And this is your aunt? Yes. Well, tell me about this lady. Is she your aunt?
She's my daughter.
Oh, your daughter. Okay. She's your daughter. Yeah. How old is she?
She's 29.
29? Okay.
Yeah.
And so how much does she weigh?
She weighs about 100 pounds now.
100 pounds?
Yeah.
Okay. Is she on dialysis? Does she go to kidney dialysis?
Yeah, she's been on dialysis for 2 years now.
Okay. 3 times a day or 6 times a day?
No, 3 times in a week.
3 times per week. Okay, very good. All right. And then she was born with sickle cell anemia?
Yes.
Okay.
Her genotype is SC. Not SC. Yeah.
Okay, here's the deal. Sickle cell anemia has been long thought to be a genetic disease, but it's not. It's actually a birth defect to the bone marrow, and so the bone marrow makes dysfunctional hemoglobin, and we can actually do a pretty good job of managing sickle cell anemia with nutritional programs. When you have kidney failure and you're on dialysis, and most of the time there's nothing wrong with the kidney, but in fact, the little blood vessels that carry the dirty blood into the filtering units, the glomeruli, are blocked. And does your daughter also have high blood pressure?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Does she have diabetes?
No, no diabetes.
Okay. All right. Does she have any history of any skin problems or respiratory problems, any asthma or bronchitis?
No bronchitis, but respiratory, yes, because I think she has heart disease as well, because the rate of it goes up to 110, 109, 110. As at now, it's 106.
Okay. Okay, but she does have some respiratory problems.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Here we go. Well, number one, she's got to get rid of all the bad foods, things that cause inflammation of the kidneys, the arteries, the lungs, and all this kind of stuff. Okay? Which can result in high blood pressure and kidneys that don't filter the blood and so forth. So, absolutely no fried foods, no processed meats, no oils, no gluten. Get rid of all the inflammatory foods. No carbonated drinks. I do want her to salt her food. Go ahead and salt her food. Use sodium chloride, table salt on her food to taste. And then at 100 pounds, I would like her to have one healthy brain and heart pack per month. One healthy brain and heart pack per month. Have her get another bottle of the OsteoFX Plus, which is the calcium and the trace minerals. So she can take an ounce of that at breakfast, ounce at dinner. Everything else in the healthy brain and heart pack, let her take a half a dose at breakfast, half a dose at dinner time. Because she has high blood pressure, and also because she has kidney failure, I'd have her take 2 bottles a month of the Ultimate Daily Classic Tablets. Ultimate Daily Classic Tablets. She could take 3 of those at breakfast, 3 at dinner time, or 2 at breakfast, 2 at lunch, 2 at dinner, a total of 6 a day. The Ultimate Daily Classic Tablets. And again, they're going to support healthy blood pressure and support healthy blood flow. All right? And then, let's see here. Specifically for the sickle cell anemia, I also want you to throw in what we call the Immortalium. Immortalium stimulates stem cell function. We want to stimulate her bone marrow. Even if she only has a small percentage of normal cells in there, we want to get them to duplicate as many as we can. And so I want her to take the Immortalium. She could go ahead and take 2 of those twice a day. It'll be 2 bottles a month of the Immortalium. And again, to encourage more normal cell in the bone marrows to duplicate so they can make more normal hemoglobin. And so then give us a call in 2 weeks and 4 weeks and 6 weeks after she starts the supplement program. It's going to take 5 to 7 working days to get the products to you there in New York. When it comes to the diet, you can start the diet immediately as you hang up. Again, the diet is no fried foods, no processed meats. It means no deli slices, sandwich meats, sausage, ham, bacon, bologna, salami, pastrami, pepperoni, jerky, corned beef, spam. All that's got to go. And then no oils, no microwave popcorn, no theater popcorn, no olive oil, no coconut oil, no margarines, mayonnaise, sausages, and cooking oils, and no gluten, no wheat, no barley, rye, and oats. She can have sweet potatoes, she can have rice, she can have milk, she can have buckwheat, but no wheat, barley, rye, or oats.
Remember youthful vitality? Boundless energy, clear skin, and robust health were so easy to take for granted back then. Of course, youth can't last forever. The clock keeps ticking and we grow older. We can't stop the hands of time. But what if we could slow cellular aging? An amazing breakthrough in genetic coding may finally make it possible to do just that. In 2009, a team of doctors won the Nobel Prize in Physiology for discovering that the ends of chromosomes are protected by coverings called telomeres that control cellular aging. Since this breakthrough, hundreds of studies have investigated telomeres in search of the fountain of youth. Some of these studies suggest telomeres may even be reprogrammed to promote cell regeneration. From this cutting-edge research, Immortalium was born, an advanced nutritional formula designed to nourish, optimize, and protect our telomeres. So how does it work? Thanks to genetic coding, cells can replicate, enabling tissue repair and renewal. During replication, DNA splits, taking genetic code from telomeres to create a healthy new cell. When we're young, our telomeres are long and strong, with plenty of genetic code to spare. We enjoy healthy cell division and efficient tissue regeneration. But each time cells divide, telomeres break off another piece of genetic code. As we age, our telomeres get shorter and shorter. As telomeres shorten, cells deteriorate. After a limited number of cell divisions, telomeres run out of genetic code. A kill switch flips to the off position, and the cell dies. But here's the good news. New research suggests that by reprogramming our telomeres to stay long and strong, we may keep the switch on, prolonging cell division so our cells can keep regenerating our tissues. With long telomeres, you may get more life out of your cells. An advanced, never-before-seen formulation, Immortalium nourishes your telomeres with 35 compounds and antioxidant enzymes in precise ratios. These nutrients may combine to optimize the long, strong telomeres that are associated with wellness. As Immortalium nourishes your telomeres, it may also optimize cellular division for better regeneration across your body's 100 trillion cells. Just imagine how all of these revitalized, peak-performing cells might support your health. Immortalium maximizes its telomere supportive cellular activity with extended-release bilayer delivery and protective glass Myron bottles. Telomere science may eventually unlock immortality, but why wait? With Immortalium, you can start addressing your telomere health today so your cells can live longer.
Cardio Beats from Youngevity supports a healthy cardiovascular system and helps supply the nutrients your body needs to support better physical endurance. Your capacity to last a little longer is largely based on how well your cardiovascular system expends oxygen and circulates blood through your body. Cardio Beats helps combat the oxidative stress caused by physical activity by supplying you with key nutrients that support your cardiovascular system. These nutrients have also been shown to help improve endurance. Cardio Beats starts with organic beets, a rich source of nitrates to support healthy blood flow and oxygen transport. We've added whole foods from highly bioavailable seaweed and mango fruit, both known for blood flow support, and antioxidant-rich sweet cherries. Then, for even more heart health benefits, we finished it off with key amino acids. Take your physical endurance to the next level with Cardio Beats. Talk to your Youngevity associate for more information.